Hi, my friends. Hi, my friends. How are you today? We're going to have a lot of fun. I hope you'd like to stay. What's your name? What's your name today? Mine is Vicky. And I see Isla. And I see Adam, Leanne, and Iad. I see Zaina, Isra, Hamoudi, Muhammad, and maybe Angela. I see you today. I'm very pleased to see you. Let's have a good day. Hi, everybody. Well, do you see Vicky still wearing her hat? I like my red hat. I like this part of my red hat. What? Whee! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I really like my hat, so I thought I'd wear my hat today because it's fun. And I thought I'd play a game with you today, too. It's called the Seasons game. The Seasons. So, what's the season? What's the season? What's the season, everyone? Is it winter? Is it spring? Is it summer? Or is it fall? What's the season? What's the season? What's the season, everyone? Is it winter? Is it spring? Is it summer? Or is it fall? Who can tell Vicky what the season is? Did you say fall? That's right, we're still in fall. Soon it will be winter. So let me bring you a little closer so you guys can see the board. Here we go. Here we go. Now back up a little bit. And here's our board. And if you can see, that is my snowflake. Because that was what we'll see in the winter time. Snow. But do you know what, my friends? This morning when I got up and I looked out the window, I saw snow falling. Snow falling. That tells me it's like winter, but it's still fall. Too early. Go back to the clouds, snow. You're too early. And this one is, who can tell Vicky? What season? It has beautiful tulip flower. This is the season of spring. Spring. And how about this season? Does anybody tell Vicky what this is? Can you see? That is my sunshine. My sun. So that tells me it is summer. Summertime. And this one has beautiful leaves. So who can tell Vicky what season it is? You said fall. I heard it. Good job. That's fall. This is the season we're in now. We're finishing fall. And let's see if anybody knows what kind of clothes we should wear for each of these seasons. What should we wear today? Wear today? Wear today? What should we wear today in the season of summer? What should you wear in the season of summertime? What is this? Big yellow sun, nice and warm. So let's see if Vicky can find something to put for summer. Let's see. Oh, these. Do I put these in the summer one? What's that? Oh, those are gloves? Mittens? Oh, they don't go for summer? Oh, okay. Not for summer. Hmm. Can you see anything that I might put for summer? Oh, what are those? Sunglasses. Did you find the sunglasses? They go for summer. Very good. Summertime. We wear sunglasses. That's right. What else can we wear in the summertime when it's warm outside? Oh, okay. Oh, that one. Okay, what's that one? A summer hat. Is it the same as my hat? No, it's a summer bonnet for keeping the sun out of your eyes and stopping you from getting sunburned. A summer hat. Very good. We can wear a summer hat. What other clothes can we wear in the summer? Oh, right there. Okay. What is that? What are they? Shorts. We can wear shorts in the summertime. Yes, I miss my shorts. Now I have to wear long pants and it's a bit cold. That's right. Shorts can go for summertime. You're doing such a good job, everybody. What else? Okay, you point me. Where do you want me to point to? Oh, I see. I see, my friends. What is that? A summer dress. A summer dress to wear for mommy or the girls in summertime. You're right. Nice summer dress. Okay, let's see if we can find one more thing for summertime. Point my finger, everybody. Tell me where to go. Here. Oh, this way. Uh, there we are. What's that? A t-shirt. Do we wear t-shirts in the summertime? Right, because it gets hot, whew, and we don't want to wear these long sleeves in the summertime. It's too hot. So we wear shorts and t-shirts. Let's put that down here. Shorts and t-shirts and a summer cap and sunglasses and dresses. Very good. Well done. What's the season? It's summer, and this is what we wear in the summertime. Can you tell me what clothes to wear? What clothes to wear? What clothes to wear? Can you tell me what clothes to wear in the season of fall? What clothes will we wear in the fall? See, all the leaves are falling off the tree. It's not as hot as the summertime, starting to get a little bit chilly. So what kind of clothes should we wear in this fall? Okay, you tell me where to go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, okay. What is that? That's another kind of hat, but it's not a big woolly one like Vicky's. It's just a little one, so you can wear in the fall when the wind is blowing. Very good. That is a nice cap to wear in the fall. That's like the story, The Wind. And the wind blew the man's hat right off his head. Did you listen to that story? Whoosh! The wind blew his hat away. What else? Okay, ready? What else in the fall? What else is there to wear in the fall? Okay, what is that? Oh, let's see. There it is. Jacket to wear in the fall. Is that a jacket to wear in the fall? Oh, you know what? I don't know about that one. My goodness. Oh, I think that this is the jacket we wear in the fall. This one. A nice warm one. Like this one today. This is nice and warm for Vicky, but not too hot. So this is a jacket we wear in the fall. Jacket to wear in the fall. Oopsie, we dropped one. Let's put it there. And what else can we wear in the fall? Let's see. Point my finger. Oh, what is that? Ooh, it's a nice warm sweater. You can wear that in the fall. Yeah, nice warm sweater. What color? Purple and blue. Very good. And it has little Christmas trees on it. Here we go. Wear a sweater in the fall. Okay, point my finger, everybody. Help, 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 help. Where are we going to go next? Let's see. Oh, let's see. Uh-huh. Oh, boots. Boots. What are they? Boots. Yes, we can wear boots in the fall. Nice long boots so you can walk through the crunchy leaves. That's right, crunchy, crunchy leaves. So there we go. We can wear boots in the fall. Let's see. We haven't got any pants up there. Oh boy, maybe I forgot to cut the pants up. But we can wear long pants starting in the fall, right? What can we wear? What can we wear? What can we wear for the different seasons? What can we wear? What can we wear? What can we wear for the different seasons? How about the season of spring? Springtime. What clothes can we wear in the springtime? Okay, help Vicki. In the spring we can wear a t-shirt. Can we wear a t-shirt? Yes, we can wear a t-shirt. Sometimes it's very sunny outside, even though it's a little bit cold. So we can wear a t-shirt in the spring. In some countries, we can wear a t-shirt in the spring. And what else can we wear in the spring? Okay, let's see. Here we go. What else can we wear in the spring? Now we can wear this in the spring. This is a rain jacket, like Paddington's rain jacket. See? A rain jacket, because in the spring, rains a lot. So here we go, rain jacket. So if we have a rain jacket, what else do we need for the rain? Point me. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, right there. Right there, my friends. What is that? An umbrella. What color? A pink umbrella. Very good. You need an umbrella in the spring because it's very rainy. That's when the flowers start to come up from all the rain. Okay, what else? Let's see. Point me in the right direction. Here. Look. We need a sweater and an umbrella. And what color? Blue. Very good. Blue. So we'll put up there, blue. Where the t-shirt can go underneath. Very good. What clothes can we wear? What clothes can we wear? What clothes can we wear in the different seasons? In the different season of the last one here, winter. Vroom. Lots of snow. So what can we wear in the snow? Ready? Here we go. Point, 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 point. Oh, right here. What's that? That is a very nice warm jacket. Look at all the fur. And it's got a nice hat. Very good. We wear that in the snow. Very good. And what else? Let's see. Oh, what is that? A nice warm scarf. We could wear a scarf in the fall and in the winter, but mostly in the winter. When it starts to snow, you get cold. So here we go, scarf. Oops-a-daisy, my scarf fluttered away. Flutter, flutter, scarf. Here we go. What else? Okay, point me. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, all right. Here's one, and oh, here's another one. What are they? Winter hats, woolly hats. Look at them. They're so warm and cozy. Winter hats go on. And what else? Anything else? Let's see. Oh, what is that? You need to wear your socks. Yeah, you need to wear your socks in the winter time and in the fall and in the spring, but especially in the winter in your boots. Put on your nice warm socks so your feet don't get all icky and sweaty. Here we go. Socks in the winter time. What else? Let's see. Here we go. Oh, there. And there's another one here. And what are they? Right, they're gloves and mittens, or these ones are just gloves. They've got fingers in them. That means they're gloves. Mittens are when you put your fingers together and your thumb like that. So these are mittens. Where do they go? Let's see. These ones can go in fall because they're not as warm as these big ones. And these big ones can go in the winter time. But you can wear these in the winter too. Let's see what's left. What we have left are boots. Boots you need for winter and for spring and sometimes for fall. So they can go anywhere, but I'm going to put them in the spring because it rains a lot and you need to wear your boots. So here we are. Here's the clothes, here's the clothes, here's the clothes that we wear in the seasons. Different seasons, different seasons, different clothes, different clothes. What do you suppose? What do you think? You can play this game again, watch it again, and play it again with mommy and daddy or your brothers and sisters. Well, my friends, that's all from me and from Paddington in his raincoat. See you next time, alligator. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Goodbye.